AWS is excited to announce the launch of the AWS Wickr ATAK Plugin. AWS Wickr is an end-to-end encrypted service that helps organizations collaborate securely through one-to-one and group messaging, voice and video calling, file sharing, screen sharing, and more. The Android Team Awareness Kit, or ATAK, is a smartphone situational awareness application that provides mapping, messaging, and geofencing capabilities to enable safe collaboration over geography. With the addition of the AWS Wickr plugin, ATAK operators can initiate end-to-end encrypted communications directly from their Team Awareness Kit interface. ATAK operators including military units, law enforcement, and first responders can maintain the common operating picture ATAK provides without having to toggle between applications to securely send messages, initiate calls, and share files. Learn more by visiting wickr.com/ATAK plugin.